How to fix TikTok live option not showing. So if you want to fix TikTok live option not showing, then first you need to simply open up your settings. And once you open your settings, you need to scroll down, tap on the apps, and under apps, you need to go for the TikTok application. Once you open your TikTok, you need to scroll down, go for the storage and cache, go for clear cache and clear your cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you need to simply make sure that you have updated the application. So open up your Play Store, go for the TikTok, or search for TikTok under your Play Store or your App Store. And here, if you have an update option, tap on update and update your application. And once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your TikTok application, go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon, tap on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down, go for report a problem, and under this, you need to go for live. And you need to tap on hosting live. So let me tell you one thing, that if you want to go live on TikTok, then the first thing you need to have is you need to at least have 1K followers on your TikTok. Because if you don't have 1K followers, then you will not be able to have the TikTok live option. So make sure that you have 1K more followers on your TikTok. And even after having the followers, if you're not being able to have that live option, then simply use this process. Go for report a problem, choose the live option, and then you need to choose live is suspended, or you can choose any option that you're comfortable with. So I'll be choosing the first, and here tap on is your problem solved. So you need to tap on no, tap on need more help, and it will take you to the help page or the feedback page. So from here you can simply enter some questions, like you need to enter I'm not being able to go live on TikTok, and here you will have how to start a live. You can simply choose that option or choose that question, it will give you the answers. So that's it. That's how you can fix TikTok live option not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.